Hello everyone. Do you know you can get 10% discount at Sweet Sensation restaurants? Well, if you didn't, I'll show you how. You know, with Opay, once you open up the app, you tap on the card section and then you can see enjoy 10% off with Opay Valve card. Tap on it like this, and it will take you to the Opay Valve card benefits. And here you can see you can enjoy exciting discounts with your Opay Valve card. So one of the discounts you enjoy is 10% discount at Sweet Sensation restaurants. When you pay with your Opay Valve card, you enjoy up to 10% discount at Sweet Sensation restaurants. Now, to find the selected locations of Sweet Sensation restaurants where you can enjoy this, tap on find selected location, tap on Sweet Sensation, and here you can see all the addresses to all the Sweet Sensation restaurants that you can enjoy 10% discount when you pay with your Opay Valve card. So what are you waiting for? Hurry up to these restaurants and get your 10% discount. I hope you really found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips like this.